This is the story of the Shorts Boy Distillery and our first product, the Tidal Rum. The Tidal Rum is a golden aged rum infused with Pepper Dulse seaweed, foraged sustainably at low tide in Jersey, a celebration of island life and the British coast. Time and tide wait for no one, and the time is ripe for a rum revolution. We have created an elevated rum experience for drinkers of all tastes. Rum redefined as the first drink of the night, not the last. To create Tidal Rum, we sampled the best aged island rums from around the world and went foraging for the perfect sea botanical with Kazz, a wild food expert who forages for the top restaurants in the Channel Islands. We discovered Pepper Dulse, known as the Truffle of the sea, a rare botanical found only at the lowest tides and prized for its intense marine truffle flavour. Lightly oak smoked and infused into our golden rum, it gives Tidal Rum its unique ocean salted caramel flavour.
I think that smokiness and the depth of the truffle running through the rum, it just is a match made in heaven.
Tidal Rum's bottle reflects the moon that pulls the tides, which unveil the wild underwater rainforest where Pepper Dulse is found. We launched in summer 2019 and soon found ourselves in some of the best restaurants, festivals, shops and bars in Jersey, making great drinks and pairing with food and sea botanicals across the island. Enter our signature serve, the Tidal Fresh Lime Soda, reflecting our ambitions to elevate rum, a naturally refreshing first drink of the night that truly lets the spirits sing. Tidal Rum is listed across several major online and off-trade retailers. We've seen Tidal do really well in farm shops, bottle shops and delis across the UK. We're now listed with the major wholesalers. All of this didn't go unnoticed, and all completely organically. We didn't spend a penny on PR. We built a community of tidal people, celebrating those who live by the rhythm of the tide. We grew our audience all organically, and all in just 2 years. We invested in a new website, and Christmas 2020 saw us go big online, with bottles sold to all areas of the country. Through our community and partners, we saw an opportunity to enhance, celebrate and preserve the environment and the people that rely on the landscape from which Tidal was born. We're now ready to grow even bigger, and with low overheads and a proven track record, our capital spend will be focused purely on stock, sales and marketing. We're already profitable and we have the team and the brand in place to own the premium mixed rum space with the Tidal Rum. We want to increase sales, marketing and social media presence to hit all spirit drinkers in the UK and beyond, converting new consumers to the Tidal experience and expanding our Tidal Spirits category. We are a business that takes pride in sustainably using botanicals that thrive on our tidal coastline. The Tidal Rum is a homage to rum, a celebration of this beautiful spirit and its relationship with island life and the British coast. So join us on our journey to refine and redefine rum, awakening the spirit of adventure through our Tidal Spirit range. Cheers.